Hello, today I'm in Volkswagen Beetle. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display and press voice button. Then you will see commands on the screen display. Simply say any command you like to use voice assistant. Just like this. What can I say?
Which topic do you need help with?
Radio.
You can say, listen to radio, or frequency, followed by a frequency.
Frequency 97.7.
Pardon?
Frequency 97.7.
AM frequency band. Please say the AM frequency.
540.
Please repeat.
540.
You can say an AM frequency. For example, say 540.
540.
Voice operation paused. To continue voice operation, briefly press the push to
Back.
back. What next?
Enter radio.
Radio. What next?
Listen to radio.
Radio. What next?
Channel RMF FM.
Please repeat the command.
Set frequency.
Please say the AM frequency.
Select FM frequency.
Pardon?
So as you can see, unfortunately this voice assistant isn't the most intelligent one, but basically if you say simple questions, it should answer properly. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.